Let me save you some frustration with the IRS. If you've ever been asked for a tax transcript and thought, okay, but which one? You're not alone. The IRS has several types of transcripts and they don't all tell you the same thing. First, there's the tax return transcript. This gives you most of the information from your original tax return if it was filed, and it's commonly used for things like mortgages, financial aid, or other situations where someone may need to verify what you originally filed. Then there's the account transcript. This one is most important because it shows the activity on your tax account, including the things that happened after you filed the original return, such as payments or credit adjustments. Then there's the record of account, right? So this one, think of it as a combination of the tax return transcript and the tax account transcript all into one document. So then you have the wage and income transcript where it shows the information the IRS received from employers, banks, financial institutions, and other payers. It'll be things like your W-2s, any 1099s or 1098s. And then finally, there's a verification of non-filing letter, right? It's still a transcript. And this pretty much tells whether or not the IRS has a processed tax return on file for you for a particular year. And no, it doesn't automatically mean you didn't file or that you were required to file. But the part that I really want you to remember is that don't just request a tax transcript and then hope that it's the right one. The transcript you need depends on what you're trying to prove or what you're trying to investigate. So if you're dealing with an IRS debt, unfiled tax return issue, missing income documents, or trying to figure out what the IRS actually has on file for you, transcripts can tell you a lot. You can access these transcripts through your IRS online account, and if you don't have one, I highly recommend you go and get one set up. It's free, easy to do, as long as you can answer the questions that are asking things about you. That's just making sure that the identity matches and nobody else is trying to get into your information. Then you're all set. Listen, the tax return transcripts are super useful and you have access to them. It's another one of your rights. That information can't be hidden. So go and check out the IRS online account, get your account set up if you don't already have one, and then you have access to all the things that you need. Your tax records, they tell a story. You just have to know how to read them, right? So that's kind of one of those things where what you don't know what you don't know. Listen, save this for the next time somebody asks you for a tax transcript and send it to somebody you know who needs to stop guessing on which one to request. All right, I'll see you in the next one.